Kanino mapupunta ang laspita na to? Sayo o sakin? Sakin. Uulitin ko. Sayo o sakin? Sakin.
Sarap kasi.
Storm cannot maintain its strength while pushing in the direction north-northwest.
Last spotted by Pag-asa, the storm was located 740 miles east in Cagayan, Apare, with a maximum sustained winds reaching 150 kilometers per hour, and the impulse also reaches 155 miles per hour. The storm acts on a speed of 13 kilometers per hour, and on Saturday, it is expected to appear by the Philippine Area of Responsibility.
Also, the Weather Central tracks
that it is possible that the storm Kedan may grow stronger and it may possibly become a typhoon.
I'm Jason Brian Climaco.
And I'm Ian Berbao for CNN Student News.
Guys! Pakikihang-out daw si Ana.
Ox lang yan!
No way!
Ha? Bakit naman?
Teka.
She's hot, pare.
Jokes naman. Okay. If she passed the initiation, buksan niya lang tong chipping in one hand.
Wow! Galing nun!
Confidential lying is the same damn thing you used on me. Keeping your words to yourself is words and screaming painfully. Honestly, I can't see why you hide behind porcelain eyes, a fake disguise to mask your nothing special. White lies you keep setting down, they turn so dark when we're alone. It's all about the pretense that we have falling out. I'm good.